promised, I have found an example where the center of dilation is not at one of the vertices. So here I have the image EDGF, and I have the image E prime, D prime, G prime, F prime. Now, we notice two things. One is an enlargement because the E prime, D prime, G prime, F prime is bigger than EDGF. And you'll notice that it moved to the right. So because of that, that means that my center of dilation is going to have to be somewhere in this area over here, because the enlargement means that if my center of dilation is here, the enlargement means it's moving that way. Okay. So just looking at the image, I want to compare the image to its pre-image. And I'm looking at point F prime, and its pre-image is here, is F. So that means F moved up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not super helpful. But if you look at E to E prime, the distance is just 1, 2, 3, and there's just a horizontal distance, which means that my center of dilation has to be on this line here. And because this moved 1, 2, 3 units, and we know the scale factor is 2, because the distance between ED and E prime D prime, this is 1 unit and this is 2 units, which means that the scale factor of 2, which means if the distance from E to E prime is 3 units, if I go 3 more units this way, 1, 2, 3, this right here should be point P, which is the center of my dilation. So therefore, the center in this case is -1, 3. And if you look at all of its lines, they should all be in a line. So here we go. I'll draw this as well as I can. There is, that wasn't good. Here is, one more time. Here is F. Here is F. And I keep going, F prime. You'll notice that the slope from point P to F and F to F prime is the same, right? Up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's because the distance from P to F prime should be double the distance from P to F. Okay, and you would find that with every single point. So here's E to E prime. Here's D to D prime. And I can do it for G to G prime. All of the slopes would be the same to each of its image and pre-image and image, but they'll be double the distance from point P, because we found the scale factor K to be 2. I hope this helps.